Okay, a quick note on how to remove the Sprinter toolkit that's under the passenger's feet. You've removed the mat, now you got to remove the toolkit. As you can see, it just slides under these tabs up above here, and it locks at these two tabs. Now, it seems obvious you'd push the end of the tab, but you don't. You stick your finger in deeper and push the tab up against the wall. In other words, bottom your finger out on the tab and then push almost out and then push down and deeper in the hole. That's the kind of tab it is. You got two of them. So you can see, you'll click it out. Let me try to do this with one hand. That one's done. This one, I've got to cantilever out. Let me see if I can get it with the other hand. It's hard with one hand, but. Okay, I can't quite get it with one hand, but you get the idea. So just push down on the tab deeper in there. It's not the end of the tab, it's deeper in. Hope that helps. Then it'll slide, it'll cantilever, or slide out like that. All right, hope that helps. Take care.